Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rudynasty and I'm back at again another video. So today I collaborated with Lush Wigs and they sent me this hair. They sent me a fake scalp wave style wig, which is 180% density and also 16 inches. In the box they also sent me a few things. They sent me lashes, they sent me a comb, two pink or purple clips actually, and a wig cap. The lashes, ooh, they're really nice, they're very fire, they're very dramatic. I like that they sent me a comb as well. Great packaging. I love the color of the actual box. Purple is my favorite color, and purple clips as well, and like I said, a wig cap. So for this install I'll be using the comb that they sent me as part of the install. I'm also going to be using Got To Be styling, freezing spray, and I'll be using a wax stick, a hot comb, some scissors, and a satin wrap. The first thing I'm going to do is comb back my edges so it's not in the way of the install. I'm also going to use Got To Be spray to spray them down so they don't mix with the install or the lace. And I'm also going to be showing you the lace, what they sent me. Like I said, it is a fake scalp wig and the knots are invisible. You can't even see them. They look so well and it blends so well with my color. As you can see, the lace looks so good. It blends so well with my color and my skin. The knots are so invisible, you can't even see them. That's why I love fake scalp wigs, especially this one. As you can see, now that I've clipped the hair back, I'll be using rubbing alcohol to clean the front section of my hair to make sure there's no oils or residue or makeup on the skin, so that when I do use the Got To Be, it would adhere properly and it will not lift. Now I'll be using the Got To Be to spray down my edges just to make sure that they're not in the way, and then I'm going to start the process of installing. This process is very easy and I'll be speeding this part up because I'm just using Got To Be. If you want more detailed videos, they are on my channel. Just make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it as well, and then just go through my channel. I probably will be putting them down in the description box below if you want to see more dedicated videos. I also have some, like I said, on my channel as well. Just scroll through, you will see them. But yeah, I'll now be using the wax stick just to lay down the hair, lay down the flyaways, make sure that they are all smooth and there's none flying away, none getting in the way of the install. I would also be using a hot comb as well just to make sure that melts completely. I am now gonna wrap the hair and make sure it's nice and, you know, properly tight, not too tight. And then I'm gonna go under the dryer for 10 minutes just to make sure the lace is completely melted, and then I'm gonna show you the finished look. So now I'm going to take off the satin wrap and show you guys the melt. Wow, look at that. That is by Got To Be spray. That's not lace glue, that's Got To Be. It melted so well with my natural skin shade, and look, that was a really good lace. I love how you can still see the parting. The knots are invisible. I don't see no knots showing, and the hair looks amazing. The hair did come pre-plucked as well, and the hair did naturally come with curls, well, not curls, waves. So I love that about the hair. I didn't have to use a straightener or a curler to get this look. This is amazing. I do love the hair. I love the feel. There was no shedding. This hair, this lace is very good at disguising unnatural boundaries between the wig and the skin. It makes it perfect, and I love it. It's a great confidence booster for me. I love the way it makes me feel. I love the way it just sits well with my makeup look as well. But yeah, it looks so natural, so blended. I just love it. And also, this wig can be worn in different styles and it's very versatile. I decided to go for middle part, but if you want, you can go for a side, you can go for an updo, you can do anything with this wig. That's what I love about it. And also, that it's so, like I said before, it's so good. It blended really well. Like, it's amazing. I just love the way it looks. I keep saying it, but I just love the way it looks. Just to remind you guys that this hair was sent to me by Lush Wigs. I will link their information in the description bar below, so you can either purchase this wig or find out more of other wigs you want to purchase. And yeah, they have a great deal of wigs, different varieties, different colors, different lengths as well, and different textures. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for your continued support. Hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll be coming out with more content very soon and dropping new videos. But yeah, if you love this look, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Please don't forget to comment. Yeah, enjoy the Dynasty gang. Peace.